Hi, I'm Ananya Panday and I'm at Lakmè Fashion Week. I'm going to ask you questions because I love asking questions and I love talking.
For sure.
Frosty pink. I love pink. Leave it like this. Okay, now we're starting the makeup. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm also ready.
So I'm going to use like a mixture of the Lakmè Absolute 3D cover foundation
Okay.
in cool ivory and cool cinnamon. So I'm
Nice.
just going to take like a drop of each and mix it.
What's your favorite part about makeup? Like, what's your favorite step?
To have good skin. It's like your canvas. If your canvas is proper, then you can do like the world on it.
That's true, actually.
So now I'm going to be using the Lakmè Absolute 3D cover foundation in cool walnut because it's actually a darker shade, and to give you a lot of contouring because I think that again brings out the 3D effect. And what I do is normally I kind of round it out. In fact, this is something, talk about contouring right now, but in Bollywood, it's been a staple forever.
Yeah.
And it used to be called cutting.
What color is this? It's so nice. Frosty pink. I love pink. Leave it like this. I'm so excited to see the dress. I feel like Clint is my fairy godmother right now. So I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my god.
So this is the top and this is the trousers.
Fab.
So I'm using Twilight Shimmer from the Infinity eyeshadow palette.
Oh my god, it's really pigmented.
Wow.
I really want to see how it comes on the eye.
Wow.
Oh my
It's
god.
very nice. So I'm going to put a little bit of this brown color on the underside of the eye. See if you notice now, it's giving your eye shape some more definition. And a little bit under the eye.
This I feel like makes such a difference. Like,
Yeah.
it makes your eyes look
So much
big.
bigger.
Yeah.
Again, I'm kind of defining the outer corner so that it gives again, it gives us a 3D effect. So now I think this color is called
Peach
Punch.
pinch.
Peach pinch.
Pinch, yeah.
Yeah, you can do like a tongue twister, no?
Peach pinch.
So we'll use this. It's the 3D matte lip color, and I think it's really nice because what they've done is they've added a little bit of shimmer, so it kind of actually contours your lips. You can start getting into your clothes.
What do you think? Are you happy with it?
I love it. It's looking really nice.